Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Large Speakerman from Skibidi Toilet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the head with a large vertical rectangle. Next, inside at the bottom, let's draw a large circle. And then another one inside for the border. And one more smaller one in the center. Now let's hop up on the top right corner and let's draw 4 small circles going down. And then add another circle inside each of these ones. Now let's hop over on the top left and let's draw a large circle. And then a smaller one above it. Now let's add a border inside each of these. And then a smaller circle inside the center. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. From the bottom of the speaker, let's step up and let's draw a curve out on both sides for the tops of the shoulders. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw an angled line down and in for the armpits. Then from the bottom, let's angle it in and down. And then add a small bump at the bottom. And now let's close it off with a curved rectangle for the belt. Next, inside, let's draw 2 lines for the belt buckle and a square in the middle. Next, let's hop inside and let's add the details starting with the tie. At the top under the head, let's draw a set of angles down and a line across. Then let's draw another set of longer angles and a V shape at the bottom. Next, at the top, let's draw another set of V shapes on either side for the collar of the shirt. And lastly, underneath the tie, let's draw 2 vertical lines down to the belt. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. From the shoulder line, let's draw an angle down on both sides. And then let's angle it slightly inwards underneath. And let's do the same thing for the inside of each arm. Then a curve to close off the bottom of each sleeve. Then hop in and let's draw another curve inside at the bottom. Now underneath, let's add the hands. Let's start by drawing a curve down on both sides for the thumbs. Then let's curve it around, out, over, and up to close off each hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back in and let's draw the legs. Let's start underneath the belt and let's draw a line down and then up on the right. Now underneath, let's draw a set of curves down. And the same thing on the outside. Now let's close off the bottom of each pant leg with a curve across. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's draw the feet at the bottom. We'll start by drawing a curve down from the inside, then curve it out and down for the tops of the shoes. And lastly, a line across the bottom of each one. And that's it for Large Speakerman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!